I'll start with one for both of you. Aaron, what made you just in the moment want to run straight to the locker room after the dunk? And Nikola, looked like you were pretty hesitant about whether he got it off on time. Just what was your confidence that he did make it, and what was going through your head?
I thought the game was over, so I was just trying to get off the court.
I didn't want to have excitement and then go down. So I was just like, I'm just going to keep calm. So that was my approach. I didn't know what happened, to be honest. I thought it was close, but it was really, really close. So
It was.